Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Nupostai bright solar pathway lights. They come in this 6-pack, so I'm going to show you what you get and how to mount, how to install and how they perform outside in real life. Regarding the specs, it seems to be a very interesting set, so I'm going to unboxing and show you everything. Here we get the top of the lights, nicely protected. You can see very nice clear solar panel. Then we have this slider here on top, water protected. I mean, the whole thing is water protected perfectly for outside, but this is really nicely water protected on top. Usually when we have solar lights with such buttons, they are down here, complicated, sometimes even inside, so it's very difficult. Sometimes you have to open and then push the button and then close it, and then it's not waterproof. This is much better solution here. This solar panel charges the large rechargeable battery inside during the day automatically, and as soon as it gets dark the light will turn on. You can see that here when you hold your hand here, the light will automatically turn on, and the illumination duration is about double of the time where they get sun. So with plenty of sunshine they can easily shine the whole night. They come also with this small instructions manual. If you're interested into that, maybe this gives you a better idea about how this works, but it's a very simple thing. It's very easy to use. So here we see the whole impressive set, everything what we get: 6 lights and then a ground spike for every light, and then 3 different kinds of extension poles. I'm going to show you that you can actually use the light directly with the ground stake. That's the really interesting thing. So all the extensions and even the ground stake are using the same diameter in their connectors. So if you want to use it almost directly on the ground, you can use it with this ground stake here, and it's not even a bad idea because the light is spreading out nicely to the side, so why not to use it directly on the ground? But we can also use it with these bigger poles, and then we push it on top of that and use it here so you can see. Then it's a little bit longer, why not? Yeah, that's also a good solution. But we can also use this extension here and use it then like that, and it's much larger. Or we can even use this transparent extension on top of that. That's the longest way, and you can see now it's pretty high. Yeah, turn off the light to make it a little bit darker so you can see the light much better. So depending on the height where you're going to mount it with these extension poles, the light will spread out on a total different area, as you can see, and also the pattern is totally different. This is really absolutely amazing. I haven't seen that in another product before. This is absolutely perfect. By the way, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. This switch here has actually 3 positions, so when you put it on this side you can see it's colorful. Also same thing here, same function with a different height with this colorful mode. And on the other side we have already seen this really nice white, and as you can see it's a warm white. That's also really important. You don't want to have this really cold, almost bluish light. This is what you want to have. But there's also more. There is a position in the middle where the solar panel is only charging the battery during the day, and it won't use the charge during the night. So if you're planning for a really important event or so, this could help a lot. So you leave the solar lights in the middle position where they only charge for a couple of days, and then you are sure that the battery capacity is on 100%. And when you have the party or the event, you turn it into the automatic mode like here, or the colorful mode, and then you know that this thing will last the whole night. I've installed the lights now outside, and I had them here for a couple of days, and they are performing really great. When I was showing them to my wife, her first reaction was, oh my gosh, how beautiful these are. We never had such beautiful solar lights, and I definitely have to agree. I mean, this is so beautiful, and they are working very reliable. They charge automatically during the day, and they are shining the whole night. I can even prove that with a short time lapse. And already white light is looking really good, really nice. It's a nice, beautiful, warm light. But we have also the colorful light, which is also really nice. Of course, you could synchronize the colors but yeah, I haven't done this. It would need a couple of different person to hit the button at the absolute same time, so I haven't done this, and it's still very, very beautiful, also with the different colors, so you don't have to synchronize them. It's absolutely not needed. It's very nice to see all the different colors. I could sit for hours here and just watch, and they also provide quite some illumination. As you can see, the white light is much brighter, but also the colorful light has a decent illumination, which is much more than what I have seen from other lights. And here we can see the time lapse. It's way beyond midnight already, 2 o'clock in the morning, and they are still going strong. You can see 3 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, now 6:30, and the sun is already starting to shine, and the solar lights are still in full brightness. This is absolutely phenomenal, and this is after a couple of days. So this is not just a charge from the factory or so. This is just normal daily charge as it works in my backyard, and this is so nice and beautiful, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.